Hi, I'm Daniella Hernandez Salas. I'm a brand ambassador for Aderans Hair Goods, which is the home of René Paris, Noriko, and Amore Wigs. I am also an award-winning wig specialist. I'm an educator for the Professional Beauty Association with the Look Good Feel Better program, providing volunteer assistance to patients globally. I am also personally a wig wearer of 20 plus years. We're going to talk about wigs, and as a wig wearer, I know I had a lot of questions. So today we're going to cover so many different aspects about wigs. How to find your wig size, how to measure your head for the correct wig size, the differences in the foundation, maybe monofilament caps and machine-made caps, the differences between human hair and synthetic hair. What can you do when you're wearing your wig? I understand there's lots of questions, but the most important thing for me, for you, is that you make this a fun experience. And I know we can get really technical about it, but this should be a good experience and something that makes you feel really comfortable.